Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time of being here, thank you for stopping by. And to everyone that has been watching me before, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. And for all that are subscribed, that has been a support to this channel, God bless you. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time of being here, please hit the red button be down below and be part of this family. Thank you so much. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how to premiere a video, how to schedule a premiere video, how to program a premiere video that you want to premiere. Yeah, you want to release in premiere. Okay, guys, I just uploaded a video and I want to premiere this video. This video is still in private. I just uploaded it and I want to premiere it. This is my newest video that I just uploaded and I want to make a premiere. First of all, what I did is, first of all, on my monetization, as I upload it, I leave it in private yet. On my monetization, after putting my monetization on, then I'll go and click the private to make it public. So as I click it, I have many options here to visualize my video. So I have to remove it from private and put it in public. So as I put it in public, before I publish it, it asks me if I want to set it as instant premiere or I want to schedule it. Let's say I want to schedule it. I will click here. I will click this place. Are you seeing my cursor? Let's say I want to schedule it. I will click this place. So when I click this place, let us see. So it gives me the date. After I've clicked, it gives me the date. So the date and time, you put your date here and your time here. And then this one says time zone. It tells you the time zones. That's where you are. Where you are, the time zone, your time. Like now, if you, let's see here now. Let me just show you what I mean. You see this place now. It tells me that this is my local time zone, Amsterdam, because that is where I live. So if you are making it, people will know that your time is Amsterdam time. It's Europe time. You understand? People in America knows if you say 1 o'clock is Europe time, 1 o'clock Europe time, so they can convert it to their own time. If it's Africa, they will convert it also to their time. So now that is settled. So you are going to choose your date. After choosing your date, let's say today, and then I'll put it, this is today's date 13, and then I'll put it, this is the time we are now. So I have to make the time maybe in the evening. I'll put it in the evening. This is 12 a.m. I'll take it in the evening, take it down to, okay, 5 p.m. this evening. So let me say I'll put it at 5 p.m. So when I set it at 5 p.m., and then that is all. I have to just go here and put set as premiere. If I put set as premiere, then I've scheduled it. But I'm not going to let it, I want to make it, let's say I want to make it instant. If you put it here now, set, then it is set at that time at exactly 5 o'clock. Whether you are home, whether you are not home, the video will start. So let's say I am going to do it now, instant. I'm not going to do it at 5 o'clock. I'm going to do it now. I've shown you this one, how to set it for later. You can put it for 5 o'clock today or put it, if that's, I just click it. But when you click schedule now, then it will remain for 5 o'clock. You can't change it. But I don't want to schedule it for 5 o'clock this evening. I want to make it go now. I want to release this video now. So what I do, I will unclick all this one that I did before. I will unclick it. I'll unclick it. So when I unclick it, then it's no more there. Then I'll go and cancel it. So I've cancelled it. Now I have to start all over. because I want to make it instant. So I start from going to my private. I click the private button here. When I click the private, and I'll go to public. You see the public down? I'll go to public. I'll put it in public. And then it says here, set as instant premiere. That is what I want to do. I want to set it. I want to release the video. So instead of me to just publish the video just like that, but I want to set it as a premiere so that everybody that has my bell notification will get it that I'm releasing a video. If they are interested in the title, they want to come and join me as the video is releasing. So let us go ahead and do it, and we just watch it together. Yeah, well, let us watch it together. Okay, I am setting it now as instant. So when I set it as instant, can you see? I just set it as instant. So I have to go here now and publish it. Look at it. After clicking it there, you have to come and click here. And if you don't click here, it will not go. So you have to come and click this place. So let me go now with my cursor and click publish. So mind you, as I'm clicking publish, the video is taking off right away. It's instant. So that is it. I have just clicked it. Now look at it. Look at. Just see what will come out here by the video. You see it has said premiere. So anybody that has my notification bell will know now that I'm about to release a video. So this video has started now. So let us click it now. I'm going to click it now. Yeah. So that is it. I'm clicking it now. It has started. That is it. That is my premiere. So anybody that has my notification now will have it. So it will start counting down now till up until it gets to 0 and the video will take off. That is it. That's my title and that's my premiere going on. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching with me, and hope to see you in my next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please make up your mind to subscribe to my channel. God bless you till I see you, or till you see me in my next video. So if you have my notification now, come on and let's watch this video together. It has only 1 minute left to take off now. So special. I like the sound of this premiere. I enjoy it so much. I'm so emotional when I hear the sound of a premiere video. Okay guys, bye.